Are you tired of juggling multiple apps for team communication? Zenzap is here to revolutionize the way your team connects, collaborates, and stays organized. Imagine a workspace that adapts to your needs. With Zenzap, you can create dedicated team spaces for every project. Chat instantly with no learning curve, ensuring high productivity from day one. Your team can track progress effortlessly, assign tasks, and maintain structure, all in one intuitive app. What sets Zenzap apart? It offers dedicated workspaces that separate business from personal chats, ensuring professionalism. Plus, with built-in task management, your conversions from chats to actionable items are seamless. Experience smart file sharing. No more messy email chains. Store and organize files effectively. With Zenzap, schedule messages to respect work-life boundaries. Set working hours to avoid late-night distractions and burnout. Every detail matters. Zenzap's complete chat history ensures no information gets lost, even for new hires. Enjoy effortless integration. Zenzap fits right into your existing workflow without the need for drastic changes. Join the Zenzap family today. Enjoy a free trial and discover how communication simplification transforms your business. Don't wait. Get started and streamline your team's success now.